is this? Hi. I'm here today. It's called Reading Rainbow. I could do anything.
You need to go talk to your client over there. Holy shit, dude. Hold up. Hold up! Tell him what he won, Bird.
Today, you have won them free Janet Jackson tickets. You know we got them Janet Jackson tickets for y'all. Things you all been worried about. Yeah.
Hey, what the fuck are you guys talking about up there? This ain't no fucking Cure concert. What the fuck are you doing up there?
Drugs, sluts, and techno changed my life. They can change yours.
Show us your boobs.
I came here to do two things. Kick some ass and get drunk. I'm almost done getting drunk.
Ass is next. Oh, look at this one.
Ass is next.
This one is so hitting it.
Woo!
Yeah, hit the tranny, bro.
Hit the tranny. Get some. Get some. Get some.
Bird, tell. Hey, I want you to set him up on his next trick.
All right, what we got here? We got Shanis McShingles on his next run. He pushed out.
How you doing?
Good.
Hey.
Hey.
Can we still go to the bathroom?
We're doing an interview. Tell us where babies came from.
My womb.
From her womb.
Your womb?
From her womb.
Yeah, baby.
That's where all babies come from. Her womb.
Just mine.
Why is the sky blue?
Because I made it blue.
Her womb creates all the babies in the world, and she makes the sky blue.
What's the capital of China?
I don't know.
Bangkok.